Understanding the Netsh command line tool. Today, we're diving into the world of command line interfaces, focusing on a powerful utility known as Netsh, or network shell. This important tool is integral to managing computer networks, allowing users to configure various network settings seamlessly. What is Netsh? Netsh stands for Network Shell, and it serves as a robust command line tool for updating Windows network configuration settings. With Netsh, users can display or modify the network configuration of their machine. Originally a scripting tool, it has evolved to perform an array of tasks, such as changing IP addresses and altering DNS server settings. Why use Netsh? The primary purpose of Netsh is to enable users to configure their computer's network without the need for a graphical user interface. It's especially helpful for troubleshooting network issues, as users can display network data and execute necessary troubleshooting techniques with ease. Tasks you can perform. Netsh offers a vast range of functionalities, including restoring network configuration. You can execute scripts using the netsh exec command to restore network settings efficiently. Viewing TCP/IP settings, easily display the status of different network configurations. Overall, Netsh is included in every version of Windows since 2000, making it a versatile tool for managing and controlling network settings. If you're looking to optimize your network management or troubleshoot connectivity issues, learning Netsh commands can significantly streamline your experience. Visit our website to learn more. Whatismyip.com